Welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to crack this software. Let's open it with x64DBG, and we are now at the breakpoint. So let's see what happens when we run. The main window opens. If we click About, and message box pops up to show you the same message that is shown in the main window. Click OK. So now observe carefully. When the program starts, it automatically knows that it has 11 days. So think for a moment. How does it know it has 11 days? It has to perform a check with the date, and also some calculation to see how many days are left before the message is shown. So let's restart this program. So now we are at the entry point again, and we can press trace, animate over, or we can keep pressing F8 until the program is running. So when the program is running, we lose control, the pause message will not be shown. So let's see. Animate over, and now it's still paused, and now it's changed to running state. So now the message is being shown, which means that we are not in control of the program anymore. It is in a running state. So at this point in time, observe that this is the last call that was made just prior to the dialog box being shown. So this is a good place to put a breakpoint so that we can step into it at the next run. So now let's restart. We are at the entry point. Run to the breakpoint. So now we are at the breakpoint that we set. Press F7 to enter it, and now press F8 and observe what happens. Here we create the dialog parameters, then here we show window. True enough, the window shows. I'm just pressing F8, and then over here there is a call to get local time. So the local time also includes the local date, the date that is stored on your PC. After that, it seems to move some parameters around, and here it moves something to ECX, does some kind of calculation to minus some values from ECX with EX, and then next line there is a variable. The result of the calculation stored in ECX is now moved to this variable at this address. So this suggests that this is the variable that keeps track of how many days remaining. And then ECX will be the days remaining. So what do you think? How should we patch this program? So we should patch ECX because ECX is being moved into this variable at this address location. So to patch this variable, we can go up here. This is the place where the value of ECX is set before it is being minused to calculate the days remaining. So a good way to patch it is to move a big number into ECX. So at the moment, 1E is moved to ECX, and then ECX is subtracted by the value EX. So if we move a big value into ECX, ECX will eventually be saved into this variable and we have a big number. So let's try to patch it here. Double click, and we are going to move a big number. Just uncheck this for now. Just move a big number. 0xFF is a big number. FF is in hexadecimal. When converted to decimal, it is 255. So now we want to check and see whether the size allows for us to assemble it here. Check on this, and it says instruction is the same size. So we can safely assemble it here without affecting the next line. So click OK and click close. So now we have assembled it. We can patch it. File, patch. Click on patch file and then give a new name. Crackme4-patch. Click save. One patch applied. Now we can open the patch file to test it. Click on run and you have 236 days remaining. Click above, 236 days period remaining. So this is how we can extend it beyond 30 days. Thank you for watching.